Let's dive into making a super easy birthday cake decoration at home, perfect for beginners. You don't need any fancy tools, just some love, creativity, and a bit of patience. How to decorate a simple birthday cake at home. What you'll need. For the cake. A basic sponge cake, you can buy one or make it yourself. Vanilla, chocolate, or Milo flavor for the frosting. 1 cup of soft and salted butter. 3 cups of sifted powdered sugar. 1 teaspoon of milk or cream. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Food coloring if you want to add some color. For decoration, sprinkles, chocolate chips, or crushed Oreos. A piping bag or a Ziploc bag. A spatula or a butter knife. Birthday candles or a cake topper. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Bake your cake or get it ready. If you're baking, make sure your cake is completely cool before you start decorating. Level the top using a serrated knife or thread. You can make 1 layer or stack 2 for a taller cake. Step 2. Whip up the buttercream frosting in a bowl. Beat 1 cup of softened butter until it's light and fluffy. Gradually add the powdered sugar while mixing. Pour in the milk and vanilla extract. Beat for 3 to 5 minutes until it's smooth. Optional, divide the frosting and add food coloring to create different colors. Step 3. Give your cake a crumb coat. First layer, spread a thin layer of frosting all over the cake to seal in the crumbs. Pop it in the fridge for 15-30 minutes to let it set. Step 4. Apply the final frosting layer. Put on a thicker, smoother layer of frosting using a spatula. Try to make the top and sides as smooth as possible. Remember, it's homemade, so don't stress about perfection. Step 5. Let's decorate. Use a piping bag or a Ziploc bag with a star tip to pipe simple rosettes, swirls, or dots around the edges. Sprinkle some colorful sprinkles or crushed candies on top. Add birthday candles or a cute cake topper in the middle. Tip: if you don't have a piping tip, just cut a small hole in a Ziploc bag and pipe little swirls or dots. Extra fun ideas. Write a message using melted chocolate or an icing pen. Add sliced strawberries, marshmallows, or mini chocolates.